guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So today I really wanted to celebrate not just my birthday month, but everyone else who shares a birthday in December as well. Although my birthday is in December, my zodiac sign is a Capricorn, so hence the icy blue wintry look. I felt really creative this morning. I really wanted to film a beautiful icy winter look because it is my birthday month and my zodiac sign is this color, which is a soft turquoise blue family. I mean, it could be green to some people, but whatever it is, it's Capricorn season. Yeah! So before we continue on with this video on how I created this icy glam look, I just want to remind you guys to stick around to the end because at the end of this video, I finally have my holiday giveaway for you guys. Also, I decided to add an extra bonus, which is one of my ultimate favorites. Thumbs up this video if you can notice where it is on the picture at the end of the video. And also, I just want to thank all of you guys for supporting my channel. I am very close to 900 and my goal is to hit 1K at the end of this year. So I'm crossing my fingers that will be a goal that I can achieve by the end of 2020. If not, thank you guys again for your love and support. So let's go ahead and get all the makeup set up, turn on the Christmas tree lights, which is already on. But let's go ahead and get that Spotify Christmas pop music on. But of course, I'm gonna have some copy-free music going on while we create this look because you know your girl's not trying to get copyrighted by YouTube. So let's get going with this icy winter look. As always, I'm going to start off with my brows. I noticed I started to use my Design My Eyebrows brow pencil again. And I think it's because of the color. Medium brown is a little bit softer. It does have a little bit of warmth. And besides, it's winter time, so we need to just give our complexion a little bit of warmth. This product is actually an oldie, but definitely a goodie. So I rediscovered this concealer when I was cleaning my makeup drawers and I was like, oh my god, I forgot about this product. I used to take this a lot when I traveled because it was basically a 3-in-1. You could use this to carve your brows, concealing, and also use as a lid for the primer. Use this as a primer for the lids. Now I'm going to use some brow powder to fill in my brows and of course follow through with some primer for the lids. First color I'm using is actually a contour shade, and I'm just using this to warm up my crease. Because I will be using some vibrant colors, I just need something a little bit more on the neutral taupees for my crease. Now I'm taking a very vibrant blue, just focusing this on the outer corners. Basically, I'm substituting this blue as if I were to use a black or a dark matte brown, keeping the more matte colors on the outer corners and of course using the brighter shimmery or metallic colors in the inner part of my lids. So I will be making some weird faces only because I'm trying to pack on as much blue as I can. And then I'm going to take my concealer again and basically just punch out my eyeballs. Only because this concealer has a super soft sponge as an applicator, it's easy to dab in the areas where I want to apply on the concealer. Basically going to create a cut crease and have a nice bright base for a vibrant blue, as you'll see in the next steps. So So fun fact, with these NARS shadow, I don't know the exact formulation, but of course I'll put that down in the info box for you guys. It's basically a chrome shadow that you can use wet or dry. Of course, when it's used wet, it's super vibrant, but alone, it's really pretty already. And my shadow wasn't really a silvery blue. It actually turned out with a slight hint of green, because I actually used one side of this brush already and I failed to look at it before dipping it into the shadow. So you do see a slight amount of green. But I went back with the Neons palette and applied on like a shimmery, sparkly blue in between. So it has a little softer gradient look in between the shades. You'll see me time to time packing more of that blue on my lids. For now, I'm gonna curl my lashes and get them ready for, okay. All right, so I misplaced my mascara, guys. Lately, I've been loving this Givenchy mascara. I was trying to say the name Disturbia and mascara at the same time. I will have to say this mascara gives me some mean length. It gets my lashes super dark as well. Only thing it lacks in is curling, but it does give me a mean length. Continuing on with my eyes, I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm just going to focus the blue on my crease. Again, trying not to overlap where my lid space is. I just want to have more definition in the crease because, you know, I lack in that too with these hooded eyeballs. Lastly, I'm going to take that first contour shade and I'm just going to blend everything out in the crease. So like I said, I was listening to Spotify music and I was listening to this artist and I really liked the song and I was like, he sounds familiar. And yes, he's a fellow YouTuber who sings and his name is Sam. Now I'm going to put on my lashes really carefully and I'm just going to take basically one end of the tweezers and just kind of perk them up while they're still drying so they don't dry in the droopy stage angle. And try not to poke your eyes, guys. To ensure extra icy frosty look, we're going to use the Tatcha Dewy Mist. And to get this dark circles out of the way, we're going to use a orangey / brick type of concealer to neutralize those grays and blues. Going back with the Age Rewind concealer, we're just going to use this as a regular concealer and it should get those dark circles away. For my complexion, I decided to use a creamy foundation stick. Now, normally you're supposed to use a buffing brush to really work with this. I'm not sure if it's my skin prep I did before, but using a damp sponge, it actually blended really nice where it didn't stick or I felt like I had to move my skin a lot more than I should, you know what I'm saying? Because usually a buffing brush gets the product nice and smooth. I don't know if it's the beauty blender I use, but it was so easy to glide because I feel sometimes when I do use a sponge to apply this on, it doesn't go as smooth as it did today. Extra highlighting on the face wouldn't hurt nobody. Now I'm going to line my lower eyes with a cobalt blue pencil. Then taking a smudger brush just to smoke it out. And then I'm going to follow through with that lid color and apply it right in the center of my lower eyes and with mascara. Let's contour these COVID cheeks. Again, using the same contour palette that I use on my crease. This is the Lorac Pro palette. Now I'm just using the darker shades to contour. Taking that yellow just to sharpen my contour a slight bit. And of course, we can't forget about the icy blue highlighter. No idea where this one piece of red glitter came from, but you'll see me trying to take it out without messing up the makeup. And got it. Okay, so this is my final look on this winter icy glam. I really do love this blue highlight. I actually use a very old holiday palette. This is by Becca, and kid you not, I bought this palette because of this color. It may not look blue to you guys, but I promise you it is blue. So pretty. So I put that on my highlights here, inner eyes, and of course, oh, I didn't. Now it's on all the highest points of the face. Boom, 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 boom. Actually, now I feel extra frosty. So now it's time for the giveaway. As you guys know, this year has been a struggle for everybody. Health-wise, jobs, hanging on to each other as a family, relationships. I mean, everything was just super difficult for everybody, and I feel you guys. I know how it is. It's a struggle and it's hard. We just need to stay grounded. We need to be balanced and just hang in there. I know it's just so hard. Just know you're not alone. We're in this together. My heart goes out to every single one of you who may have lost a family member, friend, companion from this COVID virus, and my heart goes out to you guys. I know during the holidays it's super difficult to be with your loved ones. You know, the closest you can get is definitely just Zoom, FaceTime each other, and as long as you guys can stay in touch and just know that your friends or family are still there, there's still light at the end of the tunnel, guys. So, not trying to get sentimental here, but the whole point of this video is my giveaway. So I just want to get into this really quickly because I'm sure you guys are just as anxious as I am. So there's no particular order, but as some of you guys have been around on my channel, you guys know I love to gift these guys. This is a 2021 calendar, and why I love calendars so much is because I love to be organized. I love to set achievements and goals. Why I really like this particular planner is because there's little cute notes here, very positive. Do all things with love, and this is the month of February. And at the end of the month, there are little sections where you can write notes down. Let's just look at December. I'm curious to see what it says. Say yes to all the new adventures. Lashes are a must. This is the iconic lashes from House of Lashes. You always have to stay protected. This is the Supergoop Perfect Day. This is the Everywhere, like every day. Everywhere lotion 2-in-1 for your lips. Since I'm all about the icy glow, this is the Milk Stick. This is their holographic highlighter. Too Faced Born This Way face powder. This one is my ultimate favorite. I actually did not purchase one for myself, which I should have, but this is the Ofra palette, and this one is in the Sweet Dreams palette. You know I'm gonna throw in some of my best sheet masks. These are K-Beauty, so nice pampering time. You guys may see me use this Burberry Radiance. You can actually use this before or mix it with your foundation. I actually have the number 2, which is the bronze. This one here is the number 1, which is Nude Radiance. And you can't forget about lippies. This one here is the Laura Mercier. This is the matte stick in the color Cabana. Just a small disclaimer, none of these have been opened. That's why you don't see me opening them. As I describe each product, I will insert a picture from online so you can see what the color may be and how the package looks like inside the boxes because, again, I'm not opening it. Sorry, I'm starting to sound stuffed up because of my allergies. Like I said, because of COVID and the extra germs, I'm not opening this. 2, these have been purchased way in advance. So these have been disinfected, quarantined in my little beauty room in a beauty box. And before touching this, I've actually washed my hands. So for this year's giveaway rules, I'm really not gonna ask for much.
Just to be clear, please comment down your username and your IG handle down below. Thanks!
Just 2 things. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my IG. That's it. So if you do those 2, you are entered into this drawing. So the giveaway begins today, and I'm going to end this giveaway on my birthday video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell over there so you guys know when I actually post videos, and I will be announcing the winner on my IG story. Just a small hint, my birthday is at the end of the month. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys regarding the contest, the giveaway rules, when I'm going to announce it, and where. Like I said, your girl here is trying to hit 1K at the end of the year, so I hope you guys can support my channel. But if you guys are the type who doesn't really subscribe to channels and just likes to watch videos time to time, it's all good. Thank you for stopping by. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Good luck to everybody, and stick around for more videos for the month of December. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!